I was getting a check engine light, so I pulled the codes, and it was a PO303 code, a misfire on a cylinder number 3. This is a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. And so what I did was I swapped the coils, and I was still getting same code. So then I took the plugs and I swapped plugs with cylinders 3 and 4, and the code followed the plug. So I pulled the plug, hooked it up to a multimeter, and testing the resistance. And this plug, not even getting to 4,000. So usually it's between 5 and 15. Then all of a sudden I turned it upside down, and watch this. Boom. The porcelain sleeve somehow broke through, broke inside. And there we go. And these are only in since February, so I can't imagine. This was probably a manufacturing defect. I'm going to get another one. I did have to get a spare one. So look at that. Hence the misfire. Okay.